Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. Today's video, I am so excited about this video because I am bringing to you today a DIY using these two new items that the Dollar Tree just started carrying. I'm really excited about this DIY because I love the way it turned out, and so I couldn't wait to bring it to you. If you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. So let's jump into it and let me show you how I use these two items in a DIY. I'm going to start this project off by taking my wire planter and this new decor piece that the Dollar Tree is carrying, and using my E6000, I'm going to glue this piece to the bottom of my planter. I'm going to set this aside and let the E6000 epoxy dry. These are also new to the Dollar Tree. I picked up 3 of them, and I'm going to stack them on top of each other. Using zip ties, I'm going to connect them. Don't be turned off by the zip ties and connecting them because you are not going to be able to see the zip ties when I am done with this. I've stacked these 3 high. Now using this wood plaque by Plaid that you can get at Walmart for 97 cents, I'm going to use it as a base for these. And using my E6000, I'm going to glue this down to the wood plaque. And I'm going to set some books on top just to give it that extra weight to help it stay down to adhere it just a bit better. This light is a light that I picked up from the Dollar Tree a while ago. I had used it in a previous project, a DIY vanity mirror that I had done. I'm going to repaint it, and so I don't get paint on the light bulb, I'm going to take a paper towel, I'm going to wrap it around the light bulb, and using some painter's tape to hold the paper towel on, I'm gonna tape it on as close to the base as I can, and that way the light bulb won't get painted when I spray paint the base of this. Using this Krylon Color Master in the color of rose gold, this is a paint and primer all-in-one, so it adheres nicely to metal, plastic, wood. I'm gonna paint the base of this light, this 3-tiered stand that I've made, and this floral basket with the top on it. This rose gold metallic paint, and I think any metallic paint for that matter, has such amazing coverage. This really is a one-coat coverage paint, and this paint goes so far. This is now the second project that I have done with the same can. Now using this clear plastic mat that I picked up from the Dollar Tree that I know so many of you were wondering what I was going to do with it when I hauled it. You can see here that there are 2 different types of rows of design. You've got these larger circles here, and then you've got these smaller squares. I'm going to cut each of these rows out utilizing both types of rows. Once I cut it out, this is what I was left with. This smaller row that looks like it could be smaller circles or squares, and this row that has these larger circles. Very retro looking, I think. I'm going to start off by using the smaller row with what looks like it could be the squares, and I'm going to hot glue it around the outside of this basket. And I'm going to do 2 separate rows like this. And this here is what you should be left with. Now using the bigger row of circles from the plastic bath mat, I'm going to take and hot glue it to all of the metal pieces that come down and around the outside of this planter basket, giving us a crystal chandelier type look, leaving you with this. This looks great, but I'm not completely happy with this. I'm feeling like this needs another row in between the rows that I've already put. So I'm going to add some more rows because I think that'll give it the touch that I'm looking for. And there we have it. I am so happy at how this looks just adding that extra row.
I feel like this chandelier needs just a little something more, so I'm gonna add these clear acrylic gems that I found at the Dollar Tree. If your Dollar Tree doesn't carry them, you can find them for really inexpensive at Walmart, Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and if you use a coupon, it's that much better. And I'm gonna add them just to the base of the ring here, and I think I'll do every other row. Now moving on to the light part of this. This has a small string attached to it because I am recycling it from an old project. I thought to remedy that problem, I would use this smaller row of the bath mat and attach it to the string to somewhat make it like a crystal string, the ones like you would see in a fan, to turn this light on and off. Now let's wrap this lamp up. I'm gonna put this light upside down in this, and just taking some hot glue, I'm gonna hot glue the sides of it just a bit to keep it in place, so when you turn it on and off with the crystal cord, it doesn't move. Now let's put what would be the chandelier cover on this, and let's turn this lamp on. And don't forget, if I've inspired you to make one of my projects, snap a quick picture and send it to me on either Facebook or Instagram because I love seeing all of your creations and I can feature them in an upcoming video.
Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today on how I use these two new amazing decor pieces that the Dollar Tree is now carrying in this rose gold DIY lamp. I love the way this turned out. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 1,500 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day, happy crafting on a budget, and happy Mother's Day this weekend. And bye for now, everybody.